Good day. For today's video, I will be conducting a short interview to compare the educational experiences of older generation and modern generation. This interview aims to understand their learning styles, teaching methods, and challenges as a student. Okay, now your first question. What do you usually learn in school today?
When I study subjects, I use AI to make complex concepts and topics into a much more simpler meaning. In that way, I can learn very easy. And when I understand now, to test my understanding on that specific topic or subject, I ask AI again to make me a mock exam, and then I try to answer it, and then compare it with how AI answered it, and that's how I learn my mistakes and not to do it again. And yeah, I just do it, repeat it.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Now your next question would be, what teaching methods do your teachers commonly use today?
My teachers really love to utilize technology, especially in this era that technology is everywhere. So teachers really love to use PowerPoint presentation to teach students. They also make interactive activities using technology, and sometimes they blend online and face-to-face classes.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's have your last question. Your question would be, what challenges do you experience as a student today?
The challenges that I face today as a student, that because of the internet, social media platforms like Facebook exist, and because of those, I end up scrolling all day and doing nothing at all. In consequence of that, my grades have not been improved since first year, and that's all.
Thank you. So I guess that's all. Thank you so much for participating in this interview, and I appreciate your cooperation.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po sa interview, ma'am.
So, Nay, this is your first question. How did you usually learn in school? Or giunsa ninyo pag tuon sa unang panahon?
Pagtuon sa unang panahon,
Mm-mm.
ay mawala. Ang mga libro, puro ko na mong libro, ulamanay. Ayong, kung manay assignment, batos library. That's all.
Okay. Your next question would be, what teaching method did your teachers commonly use? Or unsay mga usually gigamit sa imong maestra sa una sa pagtudlo niya, iyang way of teaching?
Pariya naman ang mga maestra ron, pero wala lang tong mga gadget-gadget. Sige ng titlo sa blackboard.
Ayun, sulat sa
Oo.
papel, anak.
Wala, may cellphone sa una.
Sige. Imong last question na would be, what challenges did you experience as a student? So, sa una, unsa may mga kalisod nga imong naagyan nga estudyante pa ka?
Ay, dagang kalisod kay umatag sayo, kay mutabang sa akong iya sa Tianggi Maninda. Dayon, atong eskwelahan, maglakaw ra, kay wala iplete. Maura na problema, kanang walay balon, walay plete.
Thank you, Nay.